So guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Rivera. And in this channel, we talk about how to make money selling name brand products online, like the brands that you have in your home right now, Lysol, Clorox, Kellogg. People already know, like, and trust these brands. And I'm just teaching you how to open up wholesale accounts with those brands, sell their products on the #1 e-commerce marketplace in the world, which is Amazon. This video in particular, we are going to be talking about the most infamous question that I get all the time on social media, which is Amazon saturated? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. There are forms of selling on Amazon that I do believe are saturated. Like, for example, private label. For those of you guys that don't know what private label is, basically when you go on AliExpress or Alibaba, buy a generic product in bulk, slap your logo on it, and list it on Amazon. I'm not going to say it's saturated because nothing really is saturated. Saying something is saturated is really like a mindset thing, because if something is truly saturated, meaning a lot of people are doing it, that just means that there's a lot of money in it, right? So after this video comes out, there are still going to be successful people in that field that go and make millions. But I will say that private label is way harder than what I do on Amazon, because you have to be a good marketer. Marketing is not an easy thing to learn. It's something that takes time and takes skill to get good at. The reason why you have to be a good marketer to sell private label on Amazon is because you're selling a generic product that has no reviews and that no one knows, and that isn't going to be on page 1 of Amazon. It's going to be on page 10,000. So people aren't going to see it. You're literally going to have to run Amazon pay-per-click ads or some type of advertising to get people to your listing. So you have to be a good marketer. Now, what I do, anyone can do, because you do not have to be a good marketer. If someone goes on Amazon and they search Dove deodorant, they're not going to question whether they want to buy that Dove deodorant or not, because they trust Amazon, #1, and they trust the brand Dove because they've been around for a bunch of years and they've spent millions on commercials, on advertising, etc. They've already built that trust and credibility with the customer, and all you're doing is you're piggybacking off that credibility and that trust that's already been there for years and that's already been established, right? This product on Amazon already has thousands of people that are ordering it every single month, and you're just joining the listing that already exists, and you're getting put into the rotation of sales that's happening on that listing. Because the way that it works is this product is getting 1,000 orders a month, and there's 5 sellers that are selling this product. There's not 5 separate listings. There's only one. All those 5 sellers are on that one listing, and Amazon rotates the sales amongst all the sellers. Seller 1 is going to get around 1,000 orders. Seller 2 is going to get around 1,000 orders. Seller 3 is going to get around 1,000 orders, and that's going to equal out to the 5,000 orders that this product is getting monthly, okay? Now, yes, there are some things about, one seller might get a little bit more orders than someone else because they have prime shipping if they're doing FBA, and one seller might get less orders if they're doing FBM, meaning they're shipping the product themselves, so their shipping is slower. And then one seller might not get as many orders because they're selling it at a way higher price than the other sellers. There are things like that, but for the most part, all of these sellers share relatively the same amount of orders per month. Now, back to, is this ever going to get saturated? It's almost impossible for this business model to get saturated, because there will never be a time where there are more sellers than buyers. It just won't happen. Over 80% of the US population has an Amazon Prime account. And I'm going to say it again because that tends to go over people's heads when I say that. But again, over 80% of the US population has an Amazon Prime account. That's 80% of the US population that's paying every single month to shop on Amazon. I'm not talking about the people that just browse on Amazon and shop. I'm talking about specifically over 80% of the US population is actively paying to shop on this market, right? That's a lot of people. The amount of buyers will never, ever be less than the amount of sellers. So that's why I believe, and I know, this industry will never, ever get saturated, because even if there was 1,000 sellers selling this one product, it's not suffice for the amount of buyers that are buying this product every month, every year. And if you didn't know, over 50% of the products on Amazon are sold by third-party sellers like myself. So Amazon actually wants you to sell on their platform, and they need you to sell on their platform, because they're not even supplying most of the products that are on their marketplace. The way that they make money is they take a percentage of all the transactions that happen on their website, but they're not actually out here, opening the wholesale accounts or buying the products in bulk and shipping it to the customers. All they're doing is taking a percentage and handling the fulfillment. Trust me, people have been saying that this is saturated since 2015. And from 2015 to 2023, hundreds of millionaires, thousands of millionaires have been created through this business model. Don't let another month go by. Don't let another year go by where you allow your mindset to blind you of an opportunity that is changing people's lives every single day. And I only tell you that because all of these people's lives that I've been able to change, is really not me, but this information has been able to change. As you can see on the screen here, Mark going crazy and all of these other people here going crazy as well with this information. All right, so if you're watching this answers your question. Hopefully this cleared the skepticism that you had about this business, and you want to get started. You want to start selling your first name brand product. You want to open up your first wholesale account with a big name brand. What I want you to do is I want you to go in the link in the description and watch a 15-minute training that I just put together. All right. In this 15-minute training, I show you how you can make at least $300 to $1,000 a day selling one product on Amazon. Okay. And towards the end of that video, you'll actually have an opportunity to book a call with my team to see if you qualify for us to actually help you with your Amazon business via coaching and live weekly calls. All right. Now, it's not mandatory. Regardless whether you choose to work with us or not, you'll be able to learn in that 15 minutes how you can get started with or without us. All right. So again, I appreciate you watching this video. And if you have any suggestions for me, comment them down below. Let me know what my next video should be. I'm trying to go crazy on YouTube this year, so I would appreciate the suggestions on the content that you would like to see. And I appreciate you for making it this long in the video. If you like this style content, I want you to hit that subscribe button or at least hit that like button down below. And I'll see you in the next video.